What's up, guys? Today we're continuing our project on how to make a shooter game in Scratch. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this tutorial we are looking at our laser gun. So this is just like our machine gun, but today we are adding a laser gun. So I have created a sprite, a costume called laser gun. It's just a simple costume, and make sure your body is centered in the middle. So next, what I have here is our laser. So we have normal, we have fire 1, and we have fire 2. So I will just call this laser. So this is like our bullet, but instead it's a laser. So what you need to do for your laser is you want to center it all the way onto the right, onto the most left of the laser. So like that. And you want to make it for all of these. So just select all of this and put this like that. And I'll just see if I can make it like that. Okay. So also you need a fire 2. So fire 1 and fire 2. So this is going to be our animation basically. So I have to put this over here and zoom in and make sure it's like that. Okay, so once you have done that, I'm going to set the size to 80. And I am going to go to our code. So first what you want to do is go to our player sprite and let's duplicate this, and let's not duplicate this. Instead, we are going to duplicate this, and we'll change this to key 2 and cache equals 50, or our cache is greater than 50. And we will switch our costume to laser gun. So after you have done that, we are going to go into our zombie sprite and let's do the same thing. So duplicate only our pistol and get rid of the machine gun and put that down there. And we'll change this to laser gun. And create clone of myself and wait 1 second. And we'll just do the same thing. Duplicate that and let's get rid of the machine gun. Change this to laser gun. Okay, so now what you want to do is go into your laser sprite and let's drag this into the laser sprite. So now it's there. So let's put a forever loop around that, and a 1 green flag is clicked. So 1 green flag is clicked if mouse down, and our costume, we don't want our costume name. We'll get this block called backdrop of stage, and we'll change this to player. So if mouse down and the costume name of player equals laser gun, then we will make a block, and this block is going to allow us to shoot our lasers. So let's do that. We're going to make a block, and it's going to be called laser shoot. Okay, so put this down here and put your block over there. As you can see, my block is not showing, so I will have to reload the page. Okay, so I have just reloaded the page, and here's our laser shoot block. So put that there. Okay, so now we want to go to looks, and we want to hide. We want to hide, and then we want to say go backward 99 layers. And then we want to set our ghost effect to 100. So it wouldn't show right now. And after that, we want to set our size to 80%. So what this is doing, it's hiding the laser, and then it's making it go backward 99 layers, which is really far back. And then it's setting our color effects. We want to change this to ghost. So we want to set, then it's setting our ghost effect to 100, which means we can't see the laser at all. And then we're setting that size to 80%, like right here. So in our define laser shoot, one more thing we need to do is to switch our costume to normal. So in our define laser shoot, we want to do a repeat loop, and we want to repeat, let's say 50 times, and we'll change our ghost effect by -5. And then after that, we are going to do a repeat loop again. We'll repeat 10 times. I'll put a wait 1 second in between those. So repeat 10 times. We'll put a next costume and a short delay. So we'll wait 0.01 seconds. And then we want to hide again, and we want to just basically let's duplicate this, and we'll just do the same thing. We'll hide, we'll go backward 99 layers, set ghost effect to 100%, and we'll set size to 80% and switch costume to normal. And in front of this, we'll put a show. So let's get another one green flag is clicked. So what we're going to do is make our laser go to the player like we did right here. So let's drag this into there, and you should see it up here. So we will drag this down here into the when green flag is clicked. Then we will do that stuff. Okay. So let's give that a go. First, when we are testing, I'm going to do, let's set our size. Let's set our points. So it's in the zombie sprite. We're going to set our cache. I think it's over here. Yeah, set our cache to 50. I will just do 45. Okay, let's show our cache variable so we know. So it's 45 and then 50. So I press 2, I get a machine gun, and let's see. Yep, it works perfectly. Our animation is working. So now we want our zombie to die when we are hitting, when the laser is shooting the lasers. So, but if we do this, it will hit, the zombie will die when it's not supposed to because it's busy changing the ghost effect. When it's normal, then it's not supposed to change our ghost effect. It's not allowed for our zombies to take damage. So, in order to do this, we need to make another variable, and let's call this zombie dies. So let's hide that, and we will set our zombies dies to no. And then laser shoot, we want to change our ghost effect by -5, and we want to set our zombie dies to yes. And then after all this stuff, we want to set our zombie dies back to no. Okay, so we'll go to our zombie sprite and go down where it's the repeats the if statement. So we need to get an OR, and an and put an equals. So if we're touching the bullet or we are touching the laser and our zombie dies equal to yes, then we are going to change cache by 5 and delete this clone. So let's try that out. So as you can see, the zombies don't die. And if I do that again, the zombies don't die. And the zombies should die right now. Let me see if I can just... Yep, the zombies did die. So, I know I keep on dying, so let's just take the death away. So let's just disable the death. So if I try it out now, press 2. The zombies should die. As you can see, they have died. So our game is working perfectly, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.